Hi guys, and welcome to day 2 of the stats unit. This section is the measures of central tendency, and they are the mean, median, mode, and range. And of course we have a few other things that we need to talk about. But first of all, there's a little activity in here that we need to do as a class. So for the first, 3 questions plus, we are going to actually do that together in class on Tuesday. So we're just going to jump right down to the examples. Find the mean, median, and mode of the range. Now, I'm not going to make you do this all out by hand, but this stuff you could do by hand with a calculator, the regular scientific calculator. But we're going to be doing everything on the graphing calculators in class. So if you have your own graphing calculator, bring it to class with you. If you don't, I have some. I don't have a full set, but hopefully you have enough people to have your own. So one of the first things you need to do when you're using the graphing calculator is to hit the stat button and then go to number 4. And this is clear our list. And we want to clear whatever lists have any data in them. So if list 1 has a list that has information in it, you're going to have to do stat number 4, clear the list, L1, if there's more, comma, L2. L1 is alpha 1, or sorry, not alpha, but second 1, and then the comma's above the 7, and then if you need L2, you do second 2. And we will talk more about what you do in the calculator in class. But after you do that, then you need to go back to stat, and we're going to do number 1, which is edit. And that's when you enter all your information into the calculator. The first column is always L1, the frequency is always L2. Once you get all your data into the calculator, you're going to go back to stats. So it's stat, and then you're going to arrow over and hit the calc button because you're going to do some calculations. Number 1, which is 1 var stats, which stands for 1 variable stats. L1, comma, L2. And when you put all that information in, I type this into my L1, 2, 5, 7, 8, and you hit enter after you put each data piece, and I would put in 2, 3, 4, and 1. And after I hit that calculate number 1 bar stats, L1, L2, the calculation do all my calculations for me. And we look for this symbol, which is the mean. And the mean of this data is 5.5. And the median is actually listed in the data set, and I'll show you where that is. And it is 6. The mode is the one that occurs the most often, and we do that by looking at which one has the highest frequency, so the mode is 7. And the range is 8 minus 2, which is 6. The range is always highest minus lowest. Okay? And number 2, what is the mode? Mode is what occurs most often. So in the first set, my mode is 2. In my second set, my mode is 2. In my third set, I have 2 and 9 that occur more than anything else. And then after that, for 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, I actually have no mode because they all appear the same number of times. So it is possible to have more than one mode. Find the mean, median, mode, and range. Again, put it into the calculator. This is L1, this is L2, and the mean is 12.6. The median is 13. The mode is also 13 in this case. And the range, top minus bottom, or highest minus lowest. And there is 18 minus 5, which is, again, 13. We will practice a lot of the stuff in class with the calculator work. So moving on to the back. Four tiles separate the data into 4 equal parts. The 4 tiles give a quarter. The first quartile, or lower quartile, or 25%. For the second quartile, which is a median, 50%. And the third quartile, or upper quartile, which is 75%. Find the first, second, and third quartiles of the following sets of data. Well, in order to find your quartiles, your data has to be in order from smallest to largest. And to save time, I listed our data out as smallest to largest. Now, I need to find out how many pieces of data I have and where my middle actually is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 pieces of data. So I need to figure out where I am 10 places in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's the bottom here. And then I have 1, 2, I'll start from the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the bottom, my top of my data. So in order to find the median, since I have an even number of pieces of data, I need to actually find the median between my two middle pieces of data. So to find them, I add them together, 81 plus 83, and I divide by 2. So I get my median to be 82. Now, I said to find the first, second, and third quartile. This is my median on my second quartile. Now to find my first quartile, I must split this data in half. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm looking between those two to find my first quartile. And when I average those two together, I get 73.5. This is my first quartile. And now I need to go ahead and do the same thing for my top half of the data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the nice thing here is both of my pieces are the same, so therefore my third quartile is just 88. Now create a box and whisker plot. Now I don't know if you remember these from 9th grade, but box and whisker plot just represents your data from a list of numbers. So let's see here. My lowest value is 58. My highest value is 98. So what I need to do is kind of even out my data best I can. and draw a line. That's terrible. Sorry. Right now, looking at my data, I'm going to count by 5. I'm going to start at 55. And I've had 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 80, 90, 95, 100. So I'm going to stop right here in the end. And this is 100. So that's my answer. And the open. And then I'm going to place certain pieces of information. My lowest piece of data is 58, so I'm going to plot that right around here. I'm going to label it as slash 58. I have to plot my lower quartile, so 60, 65, 70, 75. So my first quartile is 73.5. That looks like it's probably right about there. My median occurs at 82, so this would be 75, 80, 81, 82, right around here. And this is my median in my second quartile. And then I need to get up to 88. So 85, 90, 88 right about here. And between my first quartile, my median, and my third quartile, I make the box. And then my largest piece of data is 98, and that's right there. And this is a box in whisker plot. Here is the box, and then the ends are your whiskers. Okay? Let's try the next one. This is our data. Again, I had it listed numerically just to save time. And I need to find my median. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 pieces of data, so I need to split it in half and then round up. So 19 divided by 2 is 9.5, so 10. I need to find my 10th piece of data from both sides. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see if we match up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, that's a good thing. This is my second quartile. Now I need to find my first quartile. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, essentially. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is my first quartile. And then over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my third quartile. And then create a box and whisker plot from that information. Again, this time I'm only going to go from like 35 to 55. That's 35. Here's 40, 45, 50, 55. Oh, we can get rid of a lot of that. Okay, done. Alright, so this is 55, right? So starting at 35, and end at 55. And then we have 37 as our bottom piece of data. So this is 37. The first quartile is 42, so this is 35, 40, 41, 42 is about here. And then my median's at 45, so right here. And then 49, which is just before 50. This is 49. This is 45. And this is 42. There's my box and my whisker. I only go up to about 53. I need to protect it and label as 53. And that's really all there is to boxing whisker. But like I said in class, we will go over how to use the calculator, how to enter the data, and everything you need to know about that. It takes the first maybe 5 to 10 minutes of what we have to do to kind of do all that information. Alright, and we will talk to you later.